Ever wondered how humans can make it rain? Let's unravel the mystery of artificial rainmaking. This fascinating technology is much like a conjurer's trick, manipulating the elements to bring forth the life-giving gift of rain. At its heart, artificial rainmaking involves coaxing atmospheric water vapor to condense, encouraging clouds to shed their load. Various chemicals, often silver iodide or liquid propane, are dispersed into the clouds. These substances act as nuclei around which water droplets coalesce. As these droplets grow heavier, gravity takes over, and they fall as rain. This method, born in the mid-20th century, has become a valuable, albeit controversial solution for regions parched by water scarcity. Now let's take you on a journey to the desert city of Dubai. Here the technology sometimes exceeds expectations, triggering a cascade of consequences. In a recent case, an artificial rainmaking operation caused a deluge far surpassing the usual drizzle. The city found itself in the grip of urban flooding, with its infrastructure strained under the sudden onslaught. This incident starkly highlights the potential risks of artificial rainmaking and underscores the need for a deeper understanding and more robust precautions. Yet the story of artificial rainmaking is not just a tale of triumphs and trials. It's also a narrative of learning and adaptation. The Dubai incident, while unsettling, offers valuable lessons on the prudent deployment of this technology. It's a stark reminder that while we may have the ability to make it rain, we must do so responsibly, taking into account the delicate balance of our ecosystems. So, that's the science behind artificial rainmaking. But where do drones come in? Let's find out. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the crucial role of drones in artificial rainmaking. Drones, these high-tech marvels, are making the process of artificial rainmaking more efficient and accessible. They serve as our nimble sky warriors, ready to combat water scarcity, one cloud at a time. So, how exactly do drones facilitate artificial rainmaking? It's quite simple, really. These unmanned aerial vehicles carry payloads of certain chemicals, typically silver iodide or liquid propane. Once they reach the desired altitude, they disperse these chemicals into the clouds. The chemicals act as a catalyst, encouraging water droplets within the clouds to coalesce and grow. When the droplets become heavy enough, they fall to the ground as rain. What's remarkable about drones is their agility and maneuverability. They can navigate challenging terrains and weather conditions that might pose risks for manned aircraft. This allows them to penetrate deep into clouds and distribute the chemicals more evenly, enhancing the effectiveness of the rainmaking process. Moreover, drones can cover vast areas swiftly. With their high-speed capabilities and advanced navigation systems, they can disperse chemicals over large swaths of land in a short period. This rapid intervention can be vital in situations where immediate rainfall is needed, such as during a drought. And let's not forget about the cost-effectiveness. Traditional rainmaking methods like using airplanes or ground-based generators can be quite expensive. Drones, on the other hand, offer a more affordable alternative. They require less maintenance, consume less fuel, and can be operated remotely, reducing the need for human resources. But what makes this drone-assisted technology so appealing? It's the promise of a solution to a pressing global issue: water scarcity. With their ability to induce rainfall, drones could potentially bring relief to drought-stricken areas, providing a lifeline to both people and agriculture. Drones indeed make the rainmaking process more efficient. But what makes this technology so appealing? Let's explore the compelling advantages of drone-assisted rainmaking. First off, accessibility. One of the most significant benefits of using drones in artificial rainmaking is their ability to reach areas that would otherwise be challenging to access. Whether it's steep mountains, dense forests, or vast deserts, drones can navigate these landscapes with ease, delivering the necessary chemicals to create rain where it's most needed. Secondly, speed. Drones can cover extensive areas in a relatively short time, making this method incredibly efficient. Imagine a constellation of drones, each armed with a payload of rain-inducing chemicals, soaring into the sky, ready to combat drought in a matter of hours. This rapid response capability is particularly beneficial in emergency situations where time is of the essence. Thirdly, cost-effectiveness. Traditional methods of artificial rainmaking often involve using aircraft to disperse chemicals into the atmosphere, a process which can be costly and resource-intensive. On the other hand, drones are relatively inexpensive to operate and maintain. They require less fuel, fewer personnel, and can be deployed quickly and at a fraction of the cost. This makes drone-assisted rainmaking an attractive solution for countries or regions with limited resources. In addition to these, drones also offer a level of precision that is hard to achieve with traditional methods. Because they can be remotely controlled and guided, drones can disperse chemicals in a more targeted manner, ensuring that the rain falls exactly where it's needed. This precision helps to maximize the effectiveness of the artificial rainmaking process and reduce waste. Finally, environmental sustainability. Drones are powered by electricity, making them a cleaner alternative to traditional aircraft, which run on fossil fuels. This means that drone-assisted rainmaking can help to address water scarcity issues without contributing to climate change, a win-win situation if there ever was one. With such advantages, it's no wonder this technology is gaining traction worldwide. Drones are revolutionizing the age-old practice of artificial rainmaking, making it more accessible, efficient, and sustainable than ever before. The sky's the limit when it comes to the potential of this innovative technology. Let's look at how drone-assisted artificial rainmaking is being used around the globe. In the world's most populous country, China, they're not just talking about this technology, they're putting it to work. To combat persistent droughts plaguing large parts of the country, China has significantly expanded drone-assisted artificial rainmaking operations. The drones take to the sky, dispersing cloud-seeding chemicals over vast areas, encouraging the formation of rain clouds. This has not only helped to alleviate water scarcity, but also boosted agricultural productivity, showing the real-world impact of this technology. Now let's fly over to the United Arab Emirates. Here, in a country where rainfall is a rare occurrence, they're pushing the boundaries of drone-assisted rainmaking. The UAE government is conducting tests, using drones to release electrical charges into clouds, stimulating rainfall. It's a different approach to the traditional chemical-based cloud seeding, and it's proving to be a promising solution for the region's water scarcity issues. But it's not just about creating rain, it's about creating hope. For communities living in these water-scarce regions, the rain created by these drones is more than just water. It's the promise of a better future. It's the possibility of having enough water to drink, to irrigate their fields, and to sustain their livestock. It's about improving lives, one raindrop at a time. Yet, as we revel in these success stories, we also need to remember that drone-assisted artificial rainmaking is not without its critics. Some question the environmental impacts of dispersing chemicals into the atmosphere, others raise concerns about the cost-effectiveness of these operations, and then there are those who doubt whether we should be meddling with nature's processes in the first place. While promising, this technology also faces its fair share of criticism. But as we continue to innovate and refine these technologies, we may just find that the benefits outweigh the challenges. After all, we're not just talking about making rain, we're talking about making a difference. Every coin has two sides. Let's delve into the challenges and criticisms of drone-assisted artificial rainmaking. Sure, drone-controlled rainmaking paints a futuristic picture of drought control, but like any technology, it's not without its challenges. The first hurdle is environmental impact. While the goal is to alleviate water scarcity, the use of cloud-seeding chemicals can potentially disrupt ecosystems. There's an ongoing debate about whether these chemicals may have adverse effects on flora and fauna. Next up is cost. While drone technology is generally less expensive than traditional methods, it's still a significant investment. The drones themselves, the chemicals, the research and development, and the ongoing maintenance, all these costs add up. So while it's a solution to water scarcity, it's a solution that comes with a hefty price tag. And then, there's the question of effectiveness. Artificial rainmaking is not a guaranteed success. Weather is unpredictable, and while we've made strides in understanding it, we don't have full control. Even with the most advanced drones and chemicals, rainmaking efforts may not always yield the desired results. Finally, let's talk about the elephant in the room: the use of chemicals. While these chemicals are essential for cloud seeding, there are concerns about their potential environmental and health impacts. It's a delicate balance between solving one problem without creating another. So, there you have it, the power and perils of drone-assisted artificial rainmaking. We've journeyed through the clouds and back, exploring drone-assisted artificial rainmaking. We've seen how this technology can help alleviate water shortages, learned about its use in real-world scenarios, and considered the challenges it faces. It's clear that this technology holds a lot of potential but also requires careful management. We're eager to hear your thoughts on this topic. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Until next time, take care.